Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can adjust touch gestures of your JBL Wave Flex. First of all, you have to be connected with this JBL headphones app. Select your earbuds and then scroll down until you find gestures. Click on this arrow. Right now we can adjust gestures for the left and also the right earbud. For example, let's do this for the right one. So we have to click on this arrow, and as you can see, we can control, for example, volume. So when we select this option, right now when we tap once, we'll volume up. When we double tap, we are going to volume down, and when we are going to tap and hold, we are going to activate the voice assistant. So it will be the Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, or Siri if you are using iOS devices. If you want to completely turn off gestures, just select the last option. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.